Morning all. It's about 6:20. There's some kind of an event on today. I think it's called trail walking, and it's started off at the Queen Elizabeth Country Park. When I come through there yesterday, there was loads of army tents. So I'm not sure that it's a military based thing, but it's basically walk 100k in 30 hours. So I can hear voices. They come up the hill behind me. Sunrise will be in around 20 minutes. I think it's 10 to 7 ish. So I'm going to get a brew on, get a porridge bar inside me and start to pack up. So I'll bring you back. I'm all set up and ready to go. So that was me last night, tucked in to a hedgerow a little bit on the edge of this field, and yeah, it was a nice sunset. Sunrise is to my right, but it looks like it's going to be a pretty nice morning. So it's about 7 o'clock-ish, 5 to 7, and yeah, all is well with the world. And there we are, all packed up, leave no trace, just flat grass, and I'm off and on my way. And yeah, looks like it's going to turn into a cracking morning, good for munching miles. I know this area pretty well, so I'm walking above the main road, which is the old A3, in the Devil's Punch Bowl. So I remember this route pretty well from my days travelling down to Portsmouth University. It's kind of a slightly different vantage point where I am up here. Check out those views, absolutely awesome. So I'm at the top, or on Harting Downs, and it is a cracking view. A stunning morning. It's around 8:30, and wow, check out the view. This would be an awesome place to camp. So I'll add this to my list for a future trip. So day 2. 7 miles in, and I thought I'd take a little break, do a bit of admin. Tent was soaking wet, so it needs to dry out. It's just carrying that extra weight. So I'm in a field, another one, and the tent's drying out. I thought while I'm at it, let's get some air to my feet and have a drink. So rest over, time to get a march on.
So 11 miles done and time for another break. So I found a farm shop, can of Coke and something healthy I'm going to devour right this second. .2 in. I'll try and get to 22 today, so that'll round me up to 50. But oh, my body's aching a bit now. Feet are pretty sore, knees are shot. Oh, apart from that, everything's good. Oh. It's been a cracking day though. The weather has been superb, which I'm well chuffed about, because a wet one and this would have been miserable. But the views, I've got to say, has taken me by surprise, because I mean it is a bit of a ridgeway walk, so you do have views both sides for quite a lot of it, but it's just amazing how far you can see. Pretty spectacular. Check out that for a view. What a day it's been. So literally been following these trail walkers, which is a Gurkha Oxfam charity walk. Apparently there's 1,600 walkers doing 100k in 30 hours. So there's been a lot of people around today. But I am very close to, I think it's the village of Houghton, something like that. And there's a rumour there's a pub there, so that's where I might be when I see you next. Oh yes. The sun is about to set. It's getting on, so I need to find a pitch. I think I found one on a bit of open access land. It's pretty exposed, but I ain't heaps of choice at the minute, so I just need to get my head down, get the tent up, and just chill. Well, sun's completely set now and it's pitch black apart from the twinkling lights of a few of the local villages. So yeah, day 2 of my South Downs way and another 25 miles done, which I'm well chuffed with. My body, however, is properly feeling it. It's been a knackering day. I really wanted to get the other side of Amberley, and that kind of marks the, I think, around the 52-53 mile mark, so well over halfway, which is brilliant. But I think the extra push has come at a little bit of a cost, so I do feel pretty worn out. I've had some food, I've had a hot chocolate, I've had the shakes a bit as well, so I think that's just my blood sugar levels are a bit low, so I'm trying to kind of eat a bit more. Albeit I think I've eaten enough today, but I think with the extra calories I've burnt today, it's been tough. So I'm going to probably have another drink and chill out a bit and call it a night. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't hesitate to hit the like button, and if you want to see more wild camping and long distance hiking content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. But until part 3, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.